Google Keep is one of my favorite G Suite apps, and I wanted to show you some of the things it could do. You can find Keep within your apps list. When you arrive, you'll see a text box near the top. This is where you type in your notes. You can also create checklists, add images, and even drawings if you wanted to. I want to show you an example of a note. So I have to attend a meeting after school on Wednesday. Now, since this is a work-related note, what I can do is change the color. Now, for me, all of my work-related notes are blue. I can also label this as a work-related note. I'm going to click on the hot dog, add a label, and click on work. I can access all of my labels over here on the left-hand side. When I click on this work label, all of my work-related notes in my entire Google Keep will show up. I can also add collaborators to this note. Let's say that I had a meeting after school with a couple different people. I can add those people to this note as well, much the same way that you can add a collaborator to a Google form or a Google Doc. The really neat thing about Keep is its remind features, and I want to show you that a little bit more. So let's say that I want this note to pop up tomorrow at 7 in the morning. So I'm going to click on the Remind Me and then click on 7 a.m. Now the really neat thing about the G Suite apps is the integration across the platform. For example, when I click Done on this note, not only will the Google Keep remind me about this note tomorrow at 7 a.m., it will also show up on my calendar at 7 in the morning and in my inbox as well. Take a look. I'm going to click on Done. It shows up in my Keep, and let me open up my calendar to show you where it is too. Take a look. Hey, tomorrow at 7 in the morning, I'll be reminded to attend that meeting after school. Pretty cool. Another really neat thing that Google Keep does is its optical character recognition feature. Take a look. I have an image of an article. Now it's printed on paper, and I want to be able to have my students highlight and annotate this within a Google Doc. So what Google Keep can do is take all of that text from an image and transcribe it into something that you can now have on your computer without having to type it out. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to click on the hot dog here and grab image text. And almost instantly, all of that text is now able to be edited within a Google Doc. In fact, if I click on that hot dog again, I can copy the image and all of the text to a new Google Doc as well. Pretty neat, I think. Hey, take a look at my checklist. Let's see. The first one says film on-screen video tutorial for Keep. I think I just finished that, didn't I? I'm going to check that off, and I'll see you next time.